Let's hear it.
Well, apparently this girl wants to. She's working for United Nations. She was in the States, and she's working for United Nations in Ghana right now. I'm talking to her. She's saying she's busy working, and she just wanted my number. That she left her cell phone in New York, and she bought a new phone there, new SIM card in Ghana. She wants to come over on New Year's or before maybe, and live it. But I'm messed up. Like I'm lactose intolerant. I didn't even know. Like I ate pizza. Drank lassi, marijuana tea. That helped. Anything, like I ate pan with the Kush, 1 gram of Kush with that Paki Indian pan, green leaf and the sweet, fucking sweets and spices. It healed up my stomach ache and I'm feeling better. I went going to the hospital and shit. But you're right, yeah. Nobody would want to live with me here unless they're really into.
No. I don't think anybody's gonna be into it.
No. We're gonna attempt that. My cooking habits and my buddy's making fried chicken with hot sauce and they're shooting and
Shooting.
Alright, build me up another split for it. To be continued. Super Saiyan Rose. Kakaroto. Oh shit. Yeah, so we got humiliated last night at the birthday party. Now I started punching and kicking everywhere. Scared the shit out of his nephew, the bike, at buddy's birthday. He had that nephew over from India for 2 days. Tripped him out, scared the fuck out, and terrorized Indian motherfucker. Bucker, Chris Tucker. Which way did he go, George? Mom, where did the George go? And the George and the Bishi. Manak and his bitch. Christy, Michelle, all you fuckers. I love you all, but like you guys gotta know that I got health issues and you gotta be more responsible talking to me and spawn me into a.
You love Manak and his girlfriend?
Yeah, she's short, she's nice, shorty. Anyways.